Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today what we are going to be talking about is how to locate screen recorder on your mobile phone, especially Android phone. If you are using Android 11, you don't need to download the screen recorder on your mobile phone. It is already inbuilt on your phone. So this is how to locate the screen recorder. It is found under the setting menu shortcuts. If you are using it for the first time, you might not find it easily. So when you are going to find the screen recorder, it is by placing your hand on this. You can see this pencil icon. You click on the pencil icon. It will take you down to all the features under the setting menu shortcuts. So if you've not been using the screen record before, it will be somewhere around this side. You can see. So you will need to drag it out from this side. You will need to drag it out in order to be able to have access to it. My own is outside because it is in use. So if you've not been using the screen recorder, you will need to do what you will find it around this side. You can see below it, hold and drag to add titles. So you need to drag it out, just like this YouTube now. It is here. I will need to drag it out. Are you getting me? So the same thing with the screen recorder. After clicking on this pencil icon, you will see all the titles, all the features there. So we see the screen recorder within it, and we need to take it out in order to be able to use it. So that is how to locate the screen recorder on your mobile phone. Thank you.